Hey there, in today's video we're going to tackle a common problem faced by game developers using C++ and OpenGL. The issue at hand revolves around setting a specific scale for an object in a game engine, instead of having it change dynamically. Now, diving into the nitty-gritty of the problem, imagine you have a 3D object in your game that you want to scale to a precise size, maintaining that scale without any fluctuations. How do you go about achieving this in your C++ and OpenGL project? Well, the solution lies in leveraging the power of shaders to handle the scaling for you. By introducing a uniform variable in the vertex shader, you can easily manipulate the scale of the object without having to iterate over the mesh data manually. This uniform variable will represent the scale factor that you want to apply to the object. In the vertex shader, you can incorporate this scale factor into the transformation process, allowing you to scale the vertex position accordingly before the final transformation. This way, you can ensure that the object is scaled to the exact size you desire without any guesswork or inconsistency. By utilizing this approach, you can streamline the scaling process for your objects in the game, making it easier to manage and control their sizes with precision. It's a neat little trick that can save you time and effort in your game development workflow. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this solution to the scaling problem helpful for your C++ and OpenGL projects. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Remember, in the world of game development, precision is key, so scale wisely, my friends. Until next time, happy coding, and may your games be filled with perfectly scaled objects. See you in the next video.